Welcome back. This a pure sound. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all hear my music playing? I usually don't do this. We come in pure sound. Just enjoy the ride. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorn. Grab the popcorn. God. Just like the flight attendant. Yo, I just did some dumbass shit. I gotta turn around. I'm gonna still come back though. No, I fucked around and went to the gas station. I didn't even fucking put the gas cap back on the damn gas thing, and I think it fell off. So hopefully it fell off at the, exactly. Hopefully that bitch fell off at the damn gas station, because I'm on my motorcycle. And I damn sure don't want to be riding all the way out there on a motorcycle with no gas cap on this bitch. That bitch like 15 minutes away. But I know it had to fall right there. It couldn't have fell too far because it wasn't like it was connected on or nothing. Yeah. Yeah, so I had to slide off like somewhere in that vicinity on some close shit. But if anything, I had to drop my bike off and grab my car or some shit, because I damn sure ain't trying to fuck around with this gas. I'm feeling shit hit my arm. I'm like, why the fuck it feel like it was water flying on me? But I'm like, okay, my bike was out in the rain. I'm like, all right, maybe it's the rain hitting my arm or something when I tuck in. Then I'm looking at my dash to make sure ain't none of my lights or nothing came on, so I can, you know, I'm good. I'm like, for some reason, I don't know what made me look all the way down up under me, because I can damn near see, I can't even see up under my motherfucking neck. I'm like, oh shit, I done dropped the fucking gas can. I'm like damn near 30 minutes, 20 minutes from your house. I'm like, yeah. It's a fucking quick release, so it ain't even got like no key or nothing to it. So, I mean, I'm gonna need it eventually. I'm gonna have to buy a whole new one because shit, now my gas tank open. Yeah, it's raining, all types of shit. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and try to see if I can go back and find this bitch. I can't believe this, chat. This some wild shit. That's why you gotta pay attention when you got a quick release gas cap. This was not supposed to be the video, gang. This shit is not safe at all. I'm glad my freaking bike started up though, without the gas thing being on there. Well shit, nah, if it didn't start at the gas station, then I would've knew that the gas thing wasn't on there. So I guess that is a bad thing. A good and bad thing. Hey, but we need to go get that because yeah, I definitely ain't riding like this. Seeing GSP on the way too. 15 minutes away. Rocks coming down hitting me, gang. All them rocks was hitting me and shit. Welcome to the bike life. Just when you thought it was a pure sound video, no. Oh shit, fat ass bird. Hopefully I can find this gas cap, or I'm gonna be sick. It's always something. I kind of was quote unquote rushing, but I wasn't. You gotta stay on P. What the fuck was that? Y'all see she on the... Let me get the fuck away from her. Motherfuckers on the phone. Line, like you stay in between your lines, not on your line. This is not where you drive at. This is not the fucking, that's not where you ride at. That's not what you're gonna do. I was just trying to get a good ride in because the weather good, but I think I'm about to go to switch cars anyway because I think it's supposed to rain at like 5 or something. That's kind of why I was calling it a rush. But I don't got time. This is the only street it can be on. I hope nobody ran it over and fucked it up. And this fucking street got hella traffic on it. Hella construction. Y'all seen it on the way here. Oh no, y'all didn't. Y'all didn't even see the construction. don't see it. Why did I just find this thing right inside here? And I looked right in that same exact spot like 4 times. I just knew that that shit was right there. I just knew it was. There's no way in here. I'm thinking it fell off somewhere in here, but how did it fall? Oh, it slid forward versus sliding back. It can't slide back. The tank too damn big. Oh my God. Come on now. Let me get to this house call. I'm not even about to change or get my car. This shit, man. Oh my God.